Game 3. Back to the silver tier, and we have two teams not thinking about relegation but more towards the silver tier title. Borussia Teeth play great attacking football, but they have been caught out by some naivety at times, which unlike last season, they have been really punished for. This was a tight game with few chances for either team in the first half. Cosmos grew into the game and edged the second half, having a few more. Keith was back to them and he had another impressive game. He gambled on the keeper's spill and tapped it home from close range. The deflection wrong-footed to Hale and he was really unlucky with this one. Borussia Teeth went all out for the equaliser, with this effort getting especially close. In the end, Cosmos power on and closed the gap on Russia at the top.